So I'm hand making these portals for the train. I cut them out of Styrofoam with a box cutter. They're not really smooth. The reason I did this is because every other year I purchase these in ceramic, and almost invariably every year they break. I think I pay about $18 for one ceramic portal, where the Styrofoam is relatively cheap and I can make something that looks fairly well. Now I've got the pencil marks on here, but I'm not too thrilled with that, so perhaps I'm going to turn it around and do it on the other side. It doesn't look even, but that's the space. It fits exactly in the space on my diorama. It's not a standard size aperture, so I've made it fit exactly. So what I'm going to do is I'm now going to use magic marker instead of pencil and start by making the bricks across the top. Usually when you see these portals, they have specific type of bricklaying patterns in them. Then I will make the layers of cement blocks. Fairly standard size apart. A little bit of a tedious job, as a lot of DIY is, but I'm hoping that the end result will be satisfactory. So this is the finished portal. I painted it on with a gray paint, just a craft paint that you can find in a dollar store or any craft store. You draw the lines on to simulate the brickwork, and you paint it gray, and then you take a damp paper towel and wipe the most of it off, just so that it's left stained gray. That's not an effect that you can just get by painting it, because it paints over the black lines. You have to actually take a damp paper towel and wipe the most of the paint off. It seems counterproductive, but that's how you get this actual look. So that's my completed portal. I will glue it on and let it dry first, of course, and then glue it on, and we'll see how that looks.